Can you believe a few simple tricks can turn foggy headlights into crystal clear like this? Today at John Car Care, we'll show you how easy it really is. Cloudy headlights don't just make your car look old. They also reduce brightness, making night driving much more dangerous. But don't worry. Today we'll show you how to restore them at home, save money, and get amazing results. Now it's time for sanding. This is the most important step because if you skip it, polishing won't fix the cloudy surface. Sanding removes the old, damaged layer of plastic, giving us a fresh base to polish. And later, when we hit it with metal polish, that's when the magic really happens. Now, some people ask, does using metal polish on plastic headlights cause damage? The answer is no. As long as you use it with control. The polish acts as a lubricant and a fine abrasive, but it won't harm the lens if you keep it wet and don't overdo it. In fact, it helps you get a smoother finish with less effort. Here's a crazy cheap trick, using the carbon core from a regular battery. Yes, the black powder inside works like a mild abrasive. Rub it on the headlight and you'll see the yellow haze fade fast. It's not a permanent fix, but if you want a quick, low-cost improvement, this works surprisingly well. So why does this battery core trick work? Inside the battery, the black carbon mix acts like a super fine abrasive, gently scrubbing away the yellow haze. And the salts inside help loosen up the surface layer. Together, they make the headlight look clearer fast. It's cheap, it works, but remember, it's only a short-term fix. As someone who works with headlights every day, I need to be straight with you. The battery core trick gives you a quick shine, but it won't last. The right way is always sanding in steps and finishing with a proper polish and UV protection. That's what keeps your headlights clear for months, not just a few days. Now that we've finished sanding with the carbon powder, let's move to the next step, making our own fogging tool. It's simple, cheap, and you can build it with just a soda can, a bit of solution, and some tape. This homemade tool will help us push the vapor across the headlight and bring out even more clarity. Watch as the vapor rolls across the lens. Wherever it touches, the headlight instantly clears up. This vapor isn't just hot air. It actually carries a thin layer of clear resin. As it touches the headlight, the solvent softens the old plastic while the resin bonds to the surface, filling micro scratches and sealing the lens. That's why you see it turning crystal clear in seconds. In a professional shop, we would actually add one more step after this to make the clarity last much longer. Can you guess what it is? Drop your answer in the comments. So there you have it, from cloudy and dull to clear and shining again. Remember, any DIY fix like this is a quick win, but if you want it to last, always protect your headlights from the sun. Thanks for watching. For more simple car care tips, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button.